I'm sorry.
What else?
I'm sorry.
I was supposed to be. That's what I told you, Grandma.
And you put your head in my lap. And you wouldn't put your head up, and I had to bump your head.
I told Grandma.
Tell Grandma what?
Look at that.
Video.
The man is sleeping.
Who's sleeping?
The man is sleeping.
The man?
What man?
The man is sleeping.
Okay.
The kid is sleeping. We're sleeping.
Oh,
Who? Who'd she say? Swiper? What?
Dora.
Swiper.
Not Swiper. Swiper's going to them up.
I don't like Swiper. Okay.
Tell the guys, say,
Okay.
we're doing it with Dora.
No.
Dora?
No, we don't want to wake Dora.
Oh. Sorry.
Here goes Swiper.
Swiper's coming to get the presents.
They're going to get in the trash.
They're gonna get in the trash
And get all the stuff out.
and get all the stuff out?
Yes.
What are we gonna do?
Tell the people don't get the trash.
Tell the people not to get in the trash?
That's what
Don't you get in the trash, people.
Why?
And I close the
Oh,
door.
yeah.
Close the door?
Yes.
Oh,
And lock the gate.
lock the gate? Oh, okay.
No.
This is why we do it.
Listen to her.
I know. What?
What are you eating?
Macaroni and cheese. Too much.
Okay. I'm going to eat some more beans. I'm getting some more beans. 'Cause I like them.
Have a few more.
Hmm?
Have some more.
I'll have some more.
Yeah, have some more. Did she see herself?
Hmm?
Herself in the phone.
Thank you.
Somebody better eat a little bit more.
No.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Me.
You want some beans?
Yeah.
You got
Man.
some, honey.
They're delicious.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna eat mine all gone.
Tell the girls I tooted.
Oh no.
Tell the girls I tooted.
Girls, she tooted.
Don't laugh.
That's not funny. Don't
It's not
laugh.
funny.
No.
It's not funny.
Well
No.
then, if it's not funny, then why did you tell people? You should just say, excuse me. Right? These beans are delicious. You're a good cook, Grandma.
Eat one.
No. Do this.
What is that? What is that?
I can't do it. Like this.
No, not in your eye. Whoa.
Go.
Like this.
Hey, Mom, look at you recording. Let me see the face.
We really want
Show her, let's show her the face.
Laugh, Grandma.
What?
Laugh for a happy face cup.
What?
Do a mean face.
Do mean face.
Like this. Do it, Mommy.
Do what?
And we're going to laugh.
Okay.
Laugh, everybody.
Okay. That's so funny.
That was close.
That was close.
I thought that was close.
That was close.
That was close. Excuse
Like
me.
this. Like this.
What?
I can't do that.
That's okay. You will.
He must come. He's stuck and really stuck.
He's really stuck?
Really stuck.
Really, really stuck?
Yes. And we eat to eat.
Eat your beans before the monster eats them.
No. Before Sniper comes.
Wow.
Sniper? Swiper.
Swiper.
Sniper. Sniper been caught.
Whoa, that was a big bite.
Ooh, look at that, honey. Watch. Wait a minute, watch.
Ooh. The blue man.
It's a blue
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
That's a blue man.
That is a blue man.
It's a blue man.
Teller gave us $20,000.
It's a blue man.
It was a day that my
No,
little bridge marked
take a me
3
again.
times in size.
Yeah, cool.
Are you?
It took me again. It's really,
Can we sing-
really fast.
Do something with Blue Hand. It is
Daddy go.
Can we sing a song?
show. You know the intensity that you
We
get.
can't eat this song.
It's very
can't-
hard to know
We can't sing a song?
exact situation.
No, we can't. We're eating.
We're eating?
Mm-hmm.
But I really want to sing a song.
We can't sing song. We can't sing a song.
Why?
We can't sing song when we're eating.
That's
we're
right.
eating about it.
That's right. That's right.
That's why I tell you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And you eat to eat.
I'm finished.
I'm finished too.
No, you still have to eat your beans.
I'm finished. I'm finished, Mommy.
It doesn't look like you're finished.
I'm finished.
Are you full? What are we going to eat for dessert?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes? What kind of cupcakes?
Chocolate cupcakes.
Chocolate.
I'm gonna eat a picture. The frosting on the razor song.
The frosting and the raisins?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of frosting?
This was another example of
Chocolate raisins and chocolate.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even get it. It makes
What about our cookies?
It was literally blowing my
See all that?
I'm stirring the cupcakes up.
And a
You're
hot
stirring them up? Who are we making the cupcakes for?
dog.
Those are not cupcakes. Those are ketchup.
Oh, that's ketchup? Are they ketchup cupcakes?
No, they're not.
Oh.
What
Are
kind?
they red cupcakes?
Nope.
Nope. Are they sausage cupcakes?
Yes.
Oh, you'll like them, right? Who did you make them for? Who did you make them for?
For the kids.
What kids?
The other kids for the man.
The kid. What about your friends at school? Huh?
I was the one bringing the most money.
Hey. Hey, what about your friends at school? Who are your friends at school?
All of us are not coming home.
But who are your friends? What are their names?
Sadie.
Sadie?
Yeah.
And who else? Who else from school?
My husband ended up coming and bringing checks from our friends, and it ended up
When they said they were happy because she came back to school, they missed her.
Who? Who said that?
I definitely stepped up to the plate.
Who said that?
Had to do.
They were happy to see her.
Jojo, who?
All of us, they're so happy to come to the school.
Oh yeah, who are your friends? Do they have names?
Yeah.
What are their names?
Sadie.
And who else?
Ryan.
From school?
Mhm.
No.